Assalamu alaikum. First I will explain what is the perimeter and then later area. Okay. Now perimeter. First you should know the meaning of perimeter. Perimeter means surrounding of adding all the surrounding length of any figure. For example, if you consider this figure, you have to start from one point and then move along all the surrounding lines and then add them, and that's the perimeter actually. So that is the adding of all the lengths surrounding any figure, right? Now here, so before finding the perimeter, I mean before adding, we should know is all the sides available for us. Now see, this is 6, but we don't know this, right? Also we know 5, we know 4, but we don't know this, and see, and then we know this, we also don't know this side we know, and 6 also we know the other side, right? Now first of all we have to find the sides which are not given. That means I will start from this side. Look, this is a vertical side, right? When you want to find a vertical side, you have to compare the vertical side with the vertical sides given. For example, normally it will be vertical sides. One of the vertical side opposite to it will have a hint to find out the not given side. For example, this side. So 6 is given. So definitely this length, this vertical length can be a help to use this not given side, right? Now see, that's how that's like, for example, look how I use it. For example, this is 6, and look, the 6 is from here to here. So if I subtract this 4, see, 6 minus 4, if I subtract 6 minus 4, I will get 2, right? So actually 6 minus 4, this is that 2. Okay, now I found one side, and then let's move this way. I know 5, 4, but I don't know this one. But you see this is a horizontal side. This is a horizontal side. Therefore this horizontal side can be found with the help of either this horizontal side which is in front, or other horizontal sides given can be used. Definitely there will be clue. Now for example, see, this is 7. So we also know that the whole length will be 7, because this is a rectangle, right? Rectangle opposite sides are equal. Like here also, this is a rectangle, this side and this will be 2, isn't it? This is a rectangle as well. So basically we have 1, 2, 3 rectangles in this figure. Never mind. So we are finding the unknown sides. So 7, this is 3. Now see, this length also we know. This, because this is 6, this is 5. So we know 6 minus 5 will be 1 here, this length, right? So that follows. So this will be 1. So this, now we can easily find out this side. That means 7 minus 3 minus 1. So it is how much? It is 3, this side. Now I found that. Now I know this 3, 7. Now I don't know this, but it's very easy because it's a rectangle, so you can write it this way. So that's also equal to 3. Now this is 3, 6, and there is no more length that I need to find out. All I found now. Now see, okay, now so I can start perimeter. So I will start from this length as I told you before. So 6 plus 2 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 7 plus 3 plus 3 plus 6. Now I came back to this point by rounding through all surrounding, isn't it? Now you can add them and find the perimeter. What is that? Okay, you can get the answer. Make sure the answer is in centimeter. Okay, that is how you find perimeter. All right, now let's find area. So to find area is the space inside. We are calculating the space inside. Perimeter was outside the surrounding, right? Now, actually, for this one, we explained to use the formulas. Okay. Now, see, to apply the formula, we must identify the figures. Actually, in this this is a composite figure. Composite means two or more figures join. So let's identify the simple figure, the basic figures. Now, if I cut from here this line, so this will become rectangle. I will give rectangle A. I will label this as A. Now, if I cut from here, this will become another rectangle. I will say this is P, and then this one will be another one as C. So let me find out the area for each one separately and add them to get the area for the whole figure. Okay. Now I'll find area for A. So we know that the formula of rectangle to find area is length into breadth, right? Is length into breadth, right? Now see, what's the length? Length is 6 here. The length is 6. And breadth we found. Remember, we found in the perimeter was 2. So this is 2. Now this is 12. Now I'll find for B. Again, I have a rectangle because the breadth and length is not same. Length, breadth. The formula is length into breadth. Now this length is 6. Not 6, right? It's 4. It's 4, yes. And then width, length is 4, width is 1, so it's 4. And C, length into breadth, area of rectangle, the rectangle C. So I have length as 7, breadth as 3, so that I have 21. Now total area of the composite figure is equal to, now you add all of them. Now 12 plus 4 plus 21, the 3, right? Then you get the answer, right? You can write the answer, but make sure in area the answer is always square units. See, because we are multiplying 2 units. See, this is 6 centimeter, 2 centimeter. When we multiply, it becomes square. So now you can write the answer.